What's up, people? What's happening? So this is Dan. I hope you're doing well. I'm from Michigan and I help people earn extra income online with digital marketing. Okay, so today I'm just going to talk to you about how I was able to earn $3,700 in 3 days without talking to anybody. So I'm going to teach you how this program works, okay? I'm going to break down this program, how it works, how you can earn $900 a day or more working just 2 hours a day around your schedule. Okay. So what this is the Legacy Builders program. And I just want to show you around the program a little bit so you have an idea of how it works. And then what I do to earn consistent sales and what I did to earn $3,700 in just 3 days without talking to anybody. Okay. So the process is like this. What we do is promote digital products inside of the e-learning industry, okay? We promote digital programs to be exact, these done for you digital programs, and inside of these programs, we show you everything you need to know to build a successful online business and earn extra income online. And so this is called master resale rights. You purchase one of the programs one time, and then you can resell that program over and over again for 100% profit. And we have 4 different programs. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 over and over again simply by promoting these digital programs. And the best part is that you get an automated business that's doing like 90% of the work for you. It's doing the selling, the telling, following up with people for you, and closing sales for you. Okay. So after you get your automated business set up, you just have to follow our 2 hour workday to promote your business. Okay. So we have this 2 hour workday inside of our training, and it shows you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 2 hours a day or less. So what are these income earning activities? 30 minutes, you post free ads on high traffic websites. 30 minutes, you create 3 pieces of content that you post to social media to attract your perfect customer to you, going live and responding to messages. Okay. Now, if you don't want to show your face, we also have a faceless marketing training inside of our program. So we teach you how to create faceless content that you can post to social media to attract customers. And you can also do the copy, paste, post free ads method. Okay, I'll show you a little bit about that. I'll show you the different strategies and how it works. I'm also going to show you what the automated business looks like, and I'll show you inside of our community. I'll give you a little tour of our community. I'll keep it simple, but I just want you to understand how this program works. It's super beginner friendly. And all you need is one day to set up your automated business, and then you can receive payments and you just have to promote the business. Everything is done for you guys. This is a complete business in a box, okay? We're going to give you all the products. We're going to give you the products, the program, the website, the automated business, access to our community. We have live interactive mentoring 2 to 3 times a week from 6 and 7 figure income earners to help you hit your income goals, guys, to help you build your business so you can earn extra money online. Okay. So let me just show you around a little bit. Okay. I'm going to show you around. I'll show you the program. I'll show you the automated system, the community, and I'll show you like a little bit about what I do to how I create content on social media and stuff like that. So this is so by following this process, guys, I was able to earn $3,700 in 3 days by following everything inside of the program. Okay. I'm just following the process, guys. This is a learning and earning process. I'm just going through it myself, but based on what I've learned so far, I've been able to have these kind of income explosions, guys, like 3,700 in 3 days. That's an income explosion, which you can have with this program because it's not just me. There's many more people earning, and I'm going to show you some testimonials. Okay, so check it out. First, I'm going to show you the automated system, and then I'll show you what the program looks like inside of one of the programs, and then I'll show you our community. Okay, so let me just break it down for you real quick. And keep in mind, guys, all you need is one day to set up this business, and then you can start following our 2 hour workday. So you can start the process of learning and earning as soon as possible. The sooner you start that process, the sooner you can start learning and earning. So check it out. Here is the automated system you get. Let me go here. Oh, let me share my screen first. Let me share my screen. That would help, right? So look, guys, this is the automated system that we use here, okay? We use this automated system. It looks something like this. So someone's going to go here. It's called a capture page. They're going to go here. They're going to put their email in. So you're going to be building your email list, guys. I'm building my email list every day. And once people are inside of your email list, Once they're inside of your email list, guys, they're part of your automations, which means they can buy from you at any time because they're getting emails sent out to them, following up with them on autopilot. Okay. So someone will go here, they're going to go to your website, they're going to put their email in. And after they put their email in, I also set up the page. I made it a little different. I made it a little more personal. I put my picture in there instead. But basically, most people use a system that looks just like this, same exact system. And we all use this system, so we understand that this process is working because we all use the same system more or less, right? So someone will put in their email, and then after they put in their email, they're going to go to this thank you page, right? Where they can watch this video. Okay. This is Michelle. She created this program. Actually, she's a millionaire. She's made $1 million. She made $1 million in 17 months, guys, just promoting digital products like this. So she made $1 million, and then she created this program to make it even better than what she was promoting before. So she created a better program, and trust me, this program is the best I've ever seen. Okay. So yeah, so you can watch this video from Michelle. She's going to break down how the program works. She also does live interactive mentoring inside of our community for us. Okay, so you can meet Michelle inside of the community. You can ask her questions live so she can help you build your business. Okay, she knows what she's doing, guys. She's making like thousands a day at times. It's crazy. Okay, she's made $1 million in 17 months. She's about to make another $1 million. So, but all she does, guys, she follows the same process. She creates content every day. She goes live. That's it. And they're also going to get another video inside of the emails, another page. This page is also working for you guys. This is part of the automated system, right? So look, remember, there's different pages. So this page, then this page, and then people are going to go to this website, guys. You get to use the same website. Now, this is where all the people are making all the purchases, all the money that I've made, all the money that we make inside of the community. It comes through this website. You get to use the same website, guys. This website is a high converting website. This whole system is a high converting system. You see how it's my picture here? You just replace it. You put your picture there as well instead, right? So then your website's going to be ready to go. It looks something like this. It'll show you the products that we promote. These are the digital programs that we promote. Shows you what's inside each of the programs, right? How to launch your business, how to automate your business, how to set up social media, how to post free ads, how to grow a following, how to make 100% profit from other people's products, how to find your ideal customer, how to build your brand, how to attract customers, how to make 6 figures or more in 6 months, how to build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing, how to do email marketing and list building, then how to create your own product or program, course creation, launching your course, scaling your business, and then there's always more stuff added, guys. And then the cool thing is we have live interactive mentoring, like I said, 2 to 3 times a week. Then you get these different bonuses, Canva crash course, right? How to create 200 digital product ideas, okay? How to your invisible empire, faceless marketing, how to do faceless marketing. So then someone will go down here, they'll purchase one of the programs, the 900. There's also payment plans in America, or they'll go to the 600, the 300, or the 100, guys. So this is the automated business, okay? So then let me show you inside of the program. Oh, that's not that. That's something else. So let me show you. So say once you get inside of the program, guys, once you get started, you're going to go here, okay? And based on whatever product you purchased, like the Legacy Builder is the #1 program, right? Okay, this is the #1 program. So say you purchase a Legacy Builder, it's going to show you, okay? So you just watch these videos, how to get started, right? How to navigate this whole system. And we have a launch kit for your business. But really what you want to do is as soon as you get started, you want to set up your automated system. So you want to go here, automate your online business for time freedom. Then you just follow the steps and you get your automated system set up. Okay. You just watch all the videos, you set up your system. That's it. And then once the system's set up, then start creating your empire, guys. Start creating your empire. Then you can watch all the videos. Just go watch all the videos over time, guys. You can just go through the whole program, watch all the videos over time. It's part of the learning and earning process. But really, after you set up your automated business, you're just going to want to go here and follow this 2-hour workday. It's going to show you how to do the 2-hour workday, and it's also the launch to profit in 7 days. Okay. So that's inside of the program. Like you go here, right? You click, you're going to watch a video, how to do the 2-hour workday, right?
By the hour. You're paid because you're there. When you become the income, or you do
So we'll show you how to do this.
I want to help you leverage your time.
So guys, this is the 2-hour workday, right? Social media, post three pieces of content of social media, post free ads, and going live, guys. That's what we do. This is called attraction marketing. Okay. This is how I was able to earn 3,700 in 3 days. Now let me show you inside of the community. So we're having a free webinar right now. But here's our community, guys. We have over 35,000 people, 35,900 people. Okay. We have like 100 to 200, 300 people join every day. And we are the #1 community inside of this platform called School. We're the digital growth community. So let me just show you some stuff going on. So if you go to the calendar, it'll show you all the different events that we're having. Like right now, we're doing a free webinar. So you can actually send this, you can invite people to these free webinars. So these people will, your potential customers, they will come to this free webinar. They'll watch the webinar, and about 50% are buying after watching this webinar. Okay. Then we have mentoring with Amy. She's a 6-figure income earner. Some mentoring is coming up. Then next week we have millionaire mentoring, legacy builder mentoring. So these are just our different mentorings. We have tech calls too. Like if you need help setting up your business, you can do a tech call, or you can even pay someone and they'll set up your business for you inside of the community. So yeah. So then you go here, guys, you go here, you click here. And we also have the classroom. So there's different stuff going on in the classroom. Like we have a content vault to teach you how to create content. We have 6 figures in 6 months training. You know, we have all these different legacy runs. We do these 90-day runs where we give you training every day. You get a training every day. So right now we're showing you how to make 30K or more in the next 90 days. So every day there's a video you can watch.
Says you have your legacy builders program where you make 100% money, the fear of the unknown, and you might.
So these daily videos just really help you with your mindset and your strategy so you can stay focused and inspired in your business, guys. So it's really nice to have these videos. It's really helpful. Okay, then look at this. This is just wins. This just shows the different wins people are having. Let's see what's going on in the wins. Look at Christina. She's made 7,200 in 4 weeks. Ellen made 900. Jacqueline, she's made 1,800 already. 3,000 in 6 days for Carmel. $2,700 a day for Vince. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, guys. This community is just here for ongoing training and support, inspiration. So it's really nice to have this community because this community just, you know, it gives you inspiration, guys. Mindy, 1K day. Maritza, 900. 350 for Jenny. Daryl, he made $200,000, guys, in 8 months with this program. 200,000. Okay, so you can just go there, read the wins. And the cool thing about these wins is you can share it with other people too. Hold on. Yeah, so these wins, you can share these wins, these testimonials on your social media to attract customers. Okay. So that's it, guys. So how was I able to earn $3,700 with this system? Like I said, what you got to do, you got to get it set up. So that's the first step. Okay. Just go to my website, go to wealthwithdan.com, just get your automated business set up. And once you set that up, okay, once you get that automated business set up by following the steps, then you can promote your business and start receiving payments, right? And then you just want to follow our 2-hour workday, like I said, posting free ads on high traffic websites, creating 3 pieces of content that you post to social media, going live, and responding to messages, guys. That's it. I just create content and I go live every day. Now, if I want to increase my income, if I want to get more customers, then I just create more content and go live more often. That's about it, right? So, and what kind of content do I create? Let me show you. I forgot to show you that. Let me show you something. So we have a whole like strategy for creating content. I'll just show you my Facebook page. I'm really active on TikTok. I'm somewhat active on Facebook, not too active, but you know, I post on Facebook every day or every 2 days. So here's some content that I created, guys, about my business. Right? You can just go check out my content. You can even copy my content. I don't care, but you just say it in your own words. So guys, look, I just have a reel. I'm just posting reels. I post a lot of reels, guys. Like this is an example of content, okay? I just post a reel. I keep it less than a minute. You can check out my TikTok and you can check out my, Facebook. You can see what kind of content I create. Yeah, just go look at my Facebook, guys. All this content is for promoting my business. Like I just use my Facebook just to promote my business. Okay. So that's an example of kind of content you can create, something like this. But there's a lot of different ways you can create content, and we teach you how to do that. And it's pretty simple, guys. It's not hard. I can create 3 pieces of content in less than 30 minutes, like no problem. Just because I've been practicing. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so that's creating content, and then you can also post ads. Let me show you. So you can post free ads, guys. You can just go to this website. We have 200 different websites, guys. Okay. So here's an example. Like I'll just go to this website and I'll post a free ad. Okay. How to make money. Let's do make money, work from home jobs. So I've already been on this website. So like most of my information is already saved for me because I've already been to this website. So the information is stored, right? And then I just have this copy. I just put this in my Google Docs. So I always have this available for copying, copy, paste, post, guys. That's what we do with these ads. Copy, paste, post. Okay. This is how you post the free ads. So this is for people who really just, they don't want to show their face. Then people can do this stuff, you know. This is for people who really just they prefer not to show their face, so they can post these free ads. I post these ads, but I don't post them. But I like to focus more on creating content and just going live, just because I enjoy doing that more, guys. To be honest, I just enjoy creating content and I enjoy going live, and I've had success doing that. Okay, so look, I just post this ad. Very simple, guys. You see how fast that is? You see how long that took me? I did that really fast. Okay, it's still loading. See, my ad has been posted, guys. So my ad has been posted and my ad is now active. Okay, these are free ads, guys. So someone's going to find this ad and they'll click on my website. And once they click on my website, they can be part of my automations at any time, guys. They're part of my automations. They can buy from me at any time. So that's just an example of how to do the ads and how to post content, right? Next time I'll show you, I can show you more about the content I create. I can show you more, but you can check it out on my social medias. Even on my YouTube channel, guys, I post a lot of reels here. So you can check out my reels, get some kind of ideas of what kind of content you can create. But everyone has their different style too. And you can create your own style. Sometimes I'll just look at other people in our community and I'll just get ideas from them if I feel like it. And plus we have so much training about how to create content as well. So that's not an issue. None of it's an issue. You just have to be coachable and, be coachable, follow the steps in the program, set up your business, and then you're ready to go. And then make sure once you get inside of the community, make sure you follow the trainings and you join the live interactive mentoring. Then you'll be successful. So I earned $3,700, guys, promoting this business just by creating content and going live on TikTok. Okay. I like to go live on TikTok the most because I've gotten a lot of customers by doing that. Instant sales, guys. You can get instant sales when you go live. That's the benefit of going live. And you're growing your following and you're connecting with people and you're getting better about talking about the business. Okay. So there's so many benefits from doing that, but there's many ways to promote a business, guys. So if you want to know more, just reach out to me or go to my link. I'm going to put the link in the description. Or you just go to wealthwithdan.com, wealthwithdan.com. If you have any questions, let me know. This program is changing my life, guys. It's changing many other people's lives. It can change your life too, but you got to check it out. You got to try it. Give it a try. You don't know how good you don't know what you can do unless you try, guys. So take a look. If you see an opportunity, just get started and let's go. Let's do this. I'm here to help you build your business. So I'm always here for like, if you need help and support, I'm always going to point you in the right direction. Okay. You got to build your own business, but I'll definitely point you in the right direction and give you and share whatever tips I can share some tips with you to help you build your business more. I'm on your side, guys. I want you to win. So let's go. I'll see you on the next one. All the best.